Hi, my name is Mark Saffel. I've been using electronic spreadsheets since the original VisiCalc. If you've never heard of that, look it up in Wikipedia. This is what started it all. I love a good spreadsheet, especially when I can make it do some cool things for me. I've learned how to tame Excel, and you can too. In this initial series of videos, I'll show you the ways that I use simple yet extremely powerful Excel functions to speed up my use of this amazing tool. What I'll show you here will help you manage your data, simplify your tasks, and improve the quality of your output. Once you master these functions, it'll open up a slew of new and interesting ways to use Excel, and that's really my goal here. Here are the topics that we're going to cover in this series. Controlling data input with data validation and cell protection. Working with text using concatenate, right, left, and mid. Effective use of VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and index. Creating and using pivot tables. Getting a handle on your numbers with COUNTIF, COUNTIFs, SUMIF, and SUMIFs. Automating data with formulas including if, and nested ifs. Sorting and filtering data, including slicers and timeline. Page formatting, including conditional formatting, cell borders, cell colors. Format Painter. If you've never used Format Painter before, you're going to love it. There's not a day that goes by that I don't use Format Painter in Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Using graphs to tell the story, including how to format and use a secondary axis. And then customizing Excel with quick access menu bar. These are very short, very specific videos that are easy to consume and follow along to practice. For all these exercises, we'll work off of a single spreadsheet and build it with each video. The first spreadsheet is titled Start Here, and you can download it here. Each video will include my version of the updated spreadsheet, so you can see exactly how I did what we talk about to remove any confusion. These are simple. This is not overly complex. I'll use a very simple model for all of these so that you'll learn and then you can apply it in your own world. Now that all that introduction is complete, download the Start Here spreadsheet in this curriculum and let's go do lesson 1.